Smart phone, you're going to be looking at where you can transfer credit from this mobile phone right here, right? Very important. Some of you maybe want to transfer credit to something or want to show somebody how to transfer, but you don't know how to do that. But if you notice right here, so this blue thing here at the phone, you're going to click on it. Now, when you click on it right down here, you notice you show the 10 look at that right here. You're going to click on that. You're going to type in star 128 star. So you're going to say star 128 star. Right, so this is what first you start with, and then you're going to say 1876. Notice 1876. So look at it, that's exactly what you do. Then you're going to put in the number. Alright, the person number. Right, and after you put in the person number, you're going to put in the number sign. It's very important. And you want to put in the amount. So for instance, you want to put 25, you put 25 here, and you press the number sign. Right, if you notice right here, so you're going to come right here, you're going to press the send. Now when you click on the send, what will happen? You notice to ask you which one are the SIMs. But if you notice, my one is set to ask which one. Right? So definitely if some of your one might not show that. Right? You have to click on it. I'm going to click on SIM one. Right? If you notice right here, you know right here, it's set to spend $25 to a blank screen phone right here. Right? It's with that right here. Right? When I press OK, I'm going to type star 128 star 1 on number side. Alright, so we're going to go back now to confirm. So say star 128 star 1 number sign. If you put 2, you mean that you're going to restart about the process. So this is what I'm going to ask you to confirm it. Alright, and then I come right here, so I'm pressing number sign. Alright, you notice you have to go back here and select the SIMs. Alright, and if you notice right here, it's a request was received. And when I finish, you press OK. Alright, and then definitely you're going to press this and go back. Definitely. So the person can actually check on the angle. Alright, you notice right here, bring a message right up here just to see. Right, so I'm gonna go up, draw down the screen here. You notice I draw down the screen, this is it right here. So I'm gonna click on it. Notice when I click on it, now I'm gonna bring up the message here. So you notice right here. Alright, I notice it right here. Right, so it shows exactly how much was deducted from it. So right, so that's exactly how you actually do. So you can actually go right back up here, this arrow right here, and click and go back, right? And then you can come right on the bottom of the screen and click and go. So that's how you actually transfer credit from one digital phone to another digital phone. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.